The African Savannah. A place where life abounds, but danger lurks everywhere. Every sound in the tall grass, every shadow moving on the horizon, can mean survival or death. Here, the impala is a common sight. Graceful, agile, ever alert. A symbol of nature's beauty. But in this land, beauty attracts predators. Lions wait patiently in the shadows. Cheetahs burst from their shelters with lightning speed. Hyenas stalk in relentless packs, laughing as they approach their prey. And crocodiles lurk on riverbanks, waiting for the moment the herd comes to drink. For the impala, life is a constant race against death. It leaps high, spinning in the air, hoping that speed and agility will save it. But on the savannah, even the fastest face moments when escape is impossible. Today, we witnessed one of those deadly encounters. A true fight for survival, captured on camera in the heart of Africa. Stay with us until the end, because what you're about to see will be unforgettable. The struggle is already decided. The python coils are wrapped tight around the impala's body. For the viewer, it may seem calm now, but moments ago, this was chaos. The impala had tried to escape. It leapt, it twisted, it ran with the strength that defines its kind. But the ambush was perfect. Hidden in silence, the python struck with crushing speed. In seconds, the chase was over. The impala is one of Africa's most agile antelopes. Built for speed, able to jump high into the air to confuse predators. Yet even these gifts were not enough to break free from the python's deadly embrace. The African rock python. One of the largest snakes in the world. Armed with muscle, not venom. It does not need to inject poison. It relies on sheer power, squeezing with pressure strong enough to stop the heartbeat of its prey. For the impala, there was no second chance. No matter how fast it ran, once caught, the end was certain. And now, as the python begins the slow process of swallowing its prey whole, we are reminded of the brutal efficiency of nature. In the wild, even the swiftest and most graceful can fall victim to patience and power. The impala fought bravely. But in the end, the python's strategy was absolute. In the endless circle of the savannah, life and death are always side by side. For every impala that escapes, another becomes the meal that sustains a predator. Speed and agility may save it most days, but no animal can outrun fate forever. The python reminds us that strength and patience can overcome even the fastest of prey. The impala reminds us that survival often depends on constant awareness and instinct. Together, they tell a story written for millions of years, predator and prey shaping the balance of nature. If you've enjoyed this journey into the wild, remember, there is always more to discover. Join our channel as a member for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes extras. And don't miss our field guide, Snakes, Myths and Facts, a scientific field guide. The link is pinned in the first comment below.